Petty Fam.
Hey, Petty Fam.
We're giving away money. Royal Family giveaway. Let's get into it.
What's up, Royal Family?
It's your girl, Queen.
It's your boy, Clarence.
And we are back with another
Another for your mother.
For your mama.
For your mama.
What's today? Vlogmas Day
22.
22.
Yeah, y'all. Vlogmas Day 22. But, you know, we're here. So, you know. I think we've been doing good, don't you think?
I think
we've
so.
been doing great.
Y'all are doing great.
I think we have, you know, some people tight with us, but I think we still here for y'all. So, you know, as y'all can see, well, I gotta put on my jacket, but we're dressed and ready to go. We are about to go get something that's been long overdue and needed because Clarence here has a shoe addiction, and we need more.
It's not only me, guys.
No, it's definitely Clarence. He has a shoe addiction. He needs more of these, and like that's why he took his bed out. His little bed, because we need to use this whole wall.
Oh wow!
We're gonna use this wall too.
Speaking of shoes, I'm getting more shoes too, so it's like I don't have no room for my shoes, and then I have a big box of like heels.
But honestly, you know why I don't have any room? Because you have some shoes here. Look, these are hers. This row right here is hers, just randomly.
One row, Claire, come on.
But he does have a shoe addiction. He orders more shoes than me. Oh, speaking of shoes, I finally got the green ones.
Oh, that's
I've been
cute.
wanting. Thank you, babe.
Thank
Like
you.
these green on me too.
Yeah.
She always gotta do that.
Get you those for Christmas because I was definitely.
You gonna get them?
Yeah.
For real?
No, but I was gonna get you the other ones, but.
Oh, the white and green ones.
Yeah. So since Queen wants to talk about what I have in my shoes and not talk about her little addiction, look at this.
That I don't wear. Like those are.
Why they in a box though?
Yo, oh my God! Look.
Hey, why are they in the box? Why are they in the box?
You know what's crazy though?
Why are they in the box?
How you got the little boots?
She never wore them.
Babe, you never seen those either.
Never
Y'all
wore
supposed to
those.
magic on a date.
She never
Right.
wore
You never
those.
went on a date wearing our yellow shoes.
I bought you these. You never.
Babe, I love these, and if they was out,
They stuck in a box.
Why?
In a Home Depot
Why?
box.
Not
Why are
Home
they in the box?
Depot.
Why are they in the box? Because you're taking up all the box in the room.
They're in the
That's why
box.
they're in the box. Otherwise, I'll be wearing these around the house.
Those like
I'll be
$2,000.
wearing
She
these
said
to
wearing around the
shower.
house.
$2,000 shoes in a Home Depot box.
You
Just
know
there
what?
in
Why
Rome.
don't you
Those should
get
be
your-
in a Gucci box, in a box somewhere. And some.
They had a
They're
shelf
all in the
too.
box.
Right.
What you gonna do? Complain. You're gonna complain.
Y'all remember these?
Oh, I do.
And
It's
she never
hard
wore
to
those
put
again.
to find
Please bring back
box,
memories.
little clear boxes
He
to
wanna
fit the
tell- he
shoes.
wanna
So
tell me.
yeah,
Crazy.
the heels, especially if
Crazy.
they're high.
I've never seen you wear Tim's, and you from York.
Babe, I wear Tim's.
I've seen
No, you
it
don't.
too.
Don't lie. Cause no, you don't.
So I didn't wear Tim's, man.
But now you want him to get more
Babe, when'd you wear
shoes.
Tim's?
Hey, there's mad pictures on the gram of me and Tim's.
You know what it is, babe?
Okay.
Because you're not even from New York no more. You so used to Atlanta.
Oh, why?
Clarence ATL.
Why you?
He said,
No,
I'm glad
she's
they want to
trying
see.
He's not Clarence NYC no more.
She's trying to take the attention off her little addiction of buying things and not wearing them.
Clarence, I would wear them if it was out, but they're
She
stuck
took
in
his
a box
NYC
You're right.
and replaced it with ATM.
Yeah.
Right.
So who really has a shoe addiction? Because let's go take a look at the closet.
Nah.
Let's take a look at the closet.
No,
No, come here.
Uh-oh.
Come here. Show 'em.
He don't want to show it now.
So we're gonna go.
He
we're
know he
gonna
lost
go
this one.
Get in the car and just get out of here. You know what I'm saying?
Show them.
Look, I'm gonna show you.
Oh,
This is
wait.
the closet, right?
Oh
These are like
no.
my shoes that like
You
I
never
feel
gonna wear-
like
you're never
probably
gonna
don't
wear.
deserve to be in a clear box. You know
Claire.
what I mean?
Don't
Right
deserve to
now,
be in the clear
they're
box.
probably either beat up or.
You have no
But look at Queen. These are her shoes. Look, these sneakers right here
Who threw them in there
are
like that?
$1,700,
Who threw them in there like
and they're
that?
just in the closet.
You threw them in there like that.
Travis Scott ones. Those are yours.
I can tell you why you threw them in there. 'cause
Look
you
how
was
I
there.
treat mine. Look how I
Cause
treat mine.
of the
Bro,
spider.
You better get me tight.
Look how I treat
Right.
mine.
You better
Up
get
there.
me tight. You better get me tight. Cause I have a box.
Babe, you have a
You can
Travis
buy
Scott
boxes,
box.
Queen.
Look at your Travis
Then why
Scott
did
box
you
up
throw
there.
my Dior shoes in here? You threw
Look,
my stuff
how
in
much
here.
was those?
You threw
And
my.
they
No,
just-
I don't care. I don't care about none of that. I don't care about none of that. I'm really mad at you right now. Like, look at how you threw my stuff
These
in
are
here.
all your shoes. Look, these ain't mine.
Clarence.
These ain't mine. These ain't
Oh
mine.
yeah, we need to go. I can't.
These ain't
I need
mine.
my stuff.
Look, these ain't mine. These are all your shoes.
Why you throwing me like that? I know why you did.
Mine
I know why you did.
right.
Let me tell you why he threw these shoes
Oh
in
my
here.
God.
He's scared that a spider's gonna crawl out. That's why, because last time I tried to get my boots,
There be spider in your shoes.
and you say you threw them in there because you were scared. You ran off. You thought some spiders.
No,
were
I don't think I did that. Anyways, we're gonna end this today. We're gonna end.
He don't want to talk about it.
We're gonna head to the container store and get some containers. Hopefully they're not sold out. I usually buy a lot of them, and I don't know. People be buying those out.
But
so
he could
hopefully
like
they
he
got
could put some
more.
shelves.
So while we're driving to the container store, I wanted to mention that, first of all, stay until the end of the video because we are doing our very first giveaway. Watch until the end. Yeah, watch this video until the end because we are doing our very first giveaway. And ooh, that was a deep dip. We'll tell you at the end what it is. So that's all. Okay, see y'all. Look at that, babe. We got Christmas colors.
Aww.
He's so cute. You know, y'all, he was matching me, but I took mine off because I want to have my own individuality. Put on what I put on. I had on army fatigue pants and a black shirt.
I was literally dressed first.
No, I literally pulled it out first, and then he just had it on. So look at him. So I was like, no, I'm taking it off. He's trying to bite. I'm looking at this, just this wall. And they have potty mints, y'all. Potty mints. You take a dookie and you drop this in there. And then you flush it. And I really think Clarence needs this because I'm telling y'all, Clarence needs this.
Why he just standing there?
He be leaving. His dude stink. I'm gonna get these for you.
Look at his face.
Patty mints.
After you take a dude, you would drop it in there.
You need.
No, you need it.
Why y'all going in on each other?
No, I don't. His boo boo smell. It's not like.
Petty.
It's not really toxic.
Petty
It's
couple.
This dude is sticky.
Yo.
Shut up. First of all,
That's CJ dude.
wait, no,
Sticky dude.
no, bro. His junk. He just be. You know, I used to be able to sit in the bathroom with him and talk. I can't do that anymore. I gotta. You're like, babe, give me this whole paper.
She's
I heard when I hand it to you and I run off.
Shut up, you got.
TMI.
You need
TMI.
these potty mints. I'm gonna get them.
We don't need
You gonna get these
Apparently
potty mints.
everybody needs
Yeah,
them.
they literally
Get 'em
have
from the
everything
house.
Here. They have toilet seat covers. They have every drop spatula. Look at that. But you know how you be squeezing the bottom of the toothpaste? Every drop spatula, you can get to the bottom of toothpaste, bottom of lipstick. Like, that's useful.
You threw him off when you said lipstick.
For real.
I don't think that's useful.
Look, y'all, this is to get stickers off of shoes.
Oh yeah, I got some tape on
Gunk
this
and
right
grind.
here.
Yes, the tape. If y'all haven't noticed, which y'all probably have, right now we don't have the G-Wagon. We actually have a Jeep. People was like, did I trade in the G-Wagon for the Corvette? Did it
Why
get
y'all worried
repoed?
about
Like,
it?
some rumors. I just want to tell y'all, this is a rental. And the reason why we have a Jeep right now is because when we were at our old apartment complex, the gate came down on the top of our roof and we never got it fixed. We were trying to get like a settlement, you know, for them to pay for it with their insurance and things like that. And we finally are getting the G-Wagon fixed. So it's probably gonna be in there for like a month or a little over a month, but that is why we have a Jeep. And it's not so bad, truthfully. I love a Jeep.
It's very low key.
It's very low key. The windows aren't tinted or anything, but no one looks over here because like everyone has a Jeep. Truthfully, I wish we can keep this car. I really do, because I do like how like easy it is.
Yeah, we do need a car like this.
Thank
Yeah,
y'all
we
for
need
putting
like
this
a
seatbelt
lower
on.
sitting car because the G-Wagon is so like high and it'd be hard to put Legend in the car seat. So I can just put her in the car seat so easier here. Just to settle the rumors, I did not trade the G-Wagon in for the Corvette. Yeah, babe.
He like that.
There's rumors that we are broke and it got repossessed, or I traded in a G-Wagon to get your Corvette.
For real?
Yes, you didn't know that?
Nah.
They think I traded in a G-Wagon to get his Corvette. Like,
Really?
yes. So,
Nah, they know the roof for the G-Wagon is messed up, though.
yeah, but a lot of people probably forgot. So we're finally getting it fixed, y'all.
I'm glad y'all getting
Yeah,
it
that's
fixed.
But
crazy.
Who
yeah,
is
that is
spraying
crazy
rumors?
Man, get
We're
business,
gonna figure out what we
baby.
want to eat. Come back and get the second part of these boxes, and stay tuned.
You're not gonna let me go.
Stay tuned for the giveaway. Ooh.
Uh-oh.
Got a skirt off on you.
Yeah, you driving like a New Yorker today. Where we at, y'all? Guess where we at? Huh? Don't have it. I don't have keys. I'm on skipping. We are at the Panetta Bread. I love Panera Bread. I remember we went during tour and had soup and stuff. And yeah. I think the last time I went to Panera, I was pregnant, right, babe?
Yeah.
I was so pregnant. Hey, so I'm scrolling through here and I see broccoli cheddar soup. And I remember when Clarence said my breast milk tasted like that. And I know he was lying because, like, broccoli cheddar soup tastes good. So if my breast milk tasted like that, then that's amazing. Y'all, look at this. I think they just
Who
called
do
my
they have
husband.
flatbreads?
Look at that, y'all. That looks so freaking good. I'm sitting here laughing because I just tasted this soup that he said tastes like my titty milk. I mean, that's good to me.
You like titty milk?
You like it too, honestly, because you eat it. It's very good. Anyway, y'all, I don't want to. It crawled under there because it wants to be warm. But
Stop.
should we let them
His
know?
face is like, what?
Or should we wait till we get home? Giveaway.
Is this an advertisement for Panera Bread?
Yes,
Because
we're getting our black. I mean,
who knew?
nah, we just cute. We cute. Oh, don't do that. Put your arm back around me. Yeah.
I seen that.
Yeah. And lift it. Why you lift it up?
No, cause I was gonna touch your hair, but I'm like, oh no, that's, you got the nice braids in.
Slick. You can pull this. Never mind. But okay, y'all.
Pull this?
Yeah, you can pull my braids. So y'all, we're finally back home, as y'all can see, and we are gonna talk to you guys about this giveaway. Now,
We're excited.
we've had our not Instagram. We've had our YouTube channel since 2018, right?
2018.
2018, y'all, and I know.
Comment
long
below if
overdue,
y'all
we
got
could've
the
been done a
giveaway and if y'all
okay?
like it and all of that jazz. Tell me who won. Did any of y'all win?
Yes.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning steady.